And we're live. What the hell's up, guys? Hope everybody's having a good day. If you're in Dubai, I hope you survived the storm. That was freaking awful. Oh my god. That was terrible. Hope everybody stays safe. Anyway, we're going to talk about crypto. Of course we're going to talk about crypto. I mean, duh. I mean, what the hell am I supposed to talk about here? Anyway. Why is this not working? Oh my god, bro. My live stream sheet is not working. Okay. I think because I messed up with my Google account. Anyway, we're going to go to it. Let's see who's there in the chat. Is this the final dip on alts? We won't see these prices anytime soon, right? What do you think, CPro? So, there's two options right here, right? We're seeing Bitcoin going to 60K. We might get the dip now. We might get these dips that are like 10 to 15%. It goes like back and forth, up and down, and the dip gets eaten right away. In that case, these are the discounts for alts. We're probably not going to go much further down, and it's probably your responsibility to keep DCAing into this project when we have these dips. Or we might have this forecasted Bitcoin and altcoins dip right after the halving. Unfortunately, it's not something that I would take for granted like previous bull cycles. If everybody's expecting something, it's probably not going to happen that way, because otherwise everybody will get rich, everybody will get money, right? So just think differently. DCA at every opportunity that you have. When Bitcoin goes down 10, 15%, and we actually have a chance of grabbing big discounts for altcoins. For instance, you know what, in my opinion, was the biggest discount here? It was probably OTK. Look at OTK. Did you buy the dip? I sincerely hope that you guys did. Because we're not going to get a 32% down red in the last week for OTK. I don't think that it's something that is going to happen very, very frequently from this project. It went on an uptrend, on a constant uptrend for ages, and then it had a big correction. Finally, because I needed to buy more. Fuck's sake. I really needed more. 30 million in market cap, 40 million, whatever it is. This is why I think it's a good DCA opportunity, right? It drops so much, I keep buying more. When all these DCA opportunities appear, you keep buying, okay? Now, if Bitcoin really dips to maybe 55K, to maybe 50K, right before the halving, right after the halving, I'm still going to have cash on the side, dry powder, that I'm ready to invest money on, okay? I don't want you to go all in every time that we have a War Black Swan event, or kind of smaller, to smaller extents, let's say. Or every time that you have a minor dip. You don't want to do that. But you also don't want to go all in. You don't want to just panic. So a lot of different things. We're going to talk about everything in this live stream. To all the idiots that are spamming the chat with memes, I mean, stop or you're going to get banned.
Stupid.
Yeah, bro. Pampolinsi in the house. LFG, what's up, bro? Azim Khan, can we mine Caspa? Any idea? Well, sure, you can mine Caspa. Caspa is a proof of work coin. Do I recommend mining Caspa? Do I think that Caspa mining is a profitable option? I mean, I'm here to make money in crypto, right? And I don't think that mining really makes me the money that I want to make, because it's way more profitable to buy Caspa at these prices. Caspa has had big dips recently. You guys already know, if you've been following my channel, that I was not one of those guys saying Caspa to 1 trillion market cap, Caspa to $1 before the halving. Those were stupid comments, okay? If you were like me, you would have said, okay, I'm not going to enter Caspa when it's 80 cents. It's probably going to go more down before it goes more up. And now, guess what? It's back down to 11 cents. To me, just buying Caspa at these prices that, in my eyes, are at least quite cheap, means that I can actually make a lot of money in the long run. And in the short term, I'm going to make way more money than mining. If you get mining equipment, I know that Caspa mining is not as bad as something like Bitcoin mining. But still, you're going to have to invest a lot of resources, whether, your bills, hardware that you're going to have to purchase, a lot of different things. I don't really recommend doing that. At least that's what I recommend. Do whatever you want. And of course, I really appreciate the people that mine, because without miners, we wouldn't have proof of work projects. So for that, I'm going to put the victory music, because those are the people that actually make the ecosystem possible. It's actually a big deal. But yeah, I hope it makes sense. Smash up the likes. Let's get right with a fifth night announced. Yes, the fifth night of the crypto nights of Livestream have been announced. They are very, very experienced people. They are big people in the industry. They are not just like shill influencers that just promote scams to their following, like other TV shows that we've seen. Not gonna mention names, but hello there. I mean, you know already what I'm talking about. I'm going for dinner with Kay's mother-in-law to discuss the right. What the fuck, bro? Oh my god, bro. AWT is down 87% from all-time high. That much? And I've been buying up slowly but surely. Where do you see the prices from here into the bull run? In my experience, like this discount wouldn't have happened if we hadn't had that black swan thingy. The price were already low, but of course they dropped more than they should have. So you can see it as two things. You can see it as a price of an altcoin going to zero, which for me is farther from the truth. And by the way, I'm having an AWA AMA. What the fuck did I say? Anyway, I'm having an AMA with AWT team next week. I need to put it again on Monday, 4 p.m. UTC. 4 p.m. UTC. That's crazy. Monday, finally, after months, the team is coming to my channel. We're going to have an AMA. Am I the only person bringing AWT for an AMA on YouTube? I don't know. Did I say AWA? Sorry, guys. I've had a very long day. A very, very long day. And everybody in Dubai will understand right now. But anyway. Silver for president. I'm still not president. I should at some point. Hit the like. Thank you so much. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you, bro. Selflix for president? Bro. The AWA is coming. Oh my god, bro. Orange. I've already reviewed Orange. I was predicting. I mean, I can't always be right. So as long as I like that, we didn't have like a major dip with the unlocks, which I'm actually surprised about. I still don't think it's a good project, though. I still don't think it's a good one. Do you guys think it's a good project? I don't know. Cipro goes to Dubai. Dubai gets flooded. Oh my god. I brought the London water with me. You know how I roll. It's getting better, man. It's getting better. At least I can leave the house. Bro, why are you still talking about IconX? I've talked about IconX months ago. I don't like it. And if Seth likes it, good for him. I mean, we don't have to agree on every single thing. He also doesn't like some of my picks. And that's not a disrespect. I mean, we like different things. We like similar things on other aspects. How many access for OTK and Millionaire from here? OTK, given the recent dip, was probably getting back to a 50 to 70x territory, at least in my eyes. And when it comes to Millionaire, it's also, in my opinion, 50 to 70x territory, given the dip. But I don't want to make this crazy price prediction or move by. I don't want to pump my backs too much. I don't want to pump your backs too much. I don't want to make you think like I have the best project on the planet, although I do. I mean, I do. I mean, but still, I want to be realistic and relatively conservative with the kind of prediction that I throw your way. Because otherwise, I could just be here all day saying, oh, my Caspa 1 trillion, OTK 100 billion. You know, that's just quite stupid. I want to keep it real with you guys. I've built this channel on being real with people, and this is what I keep on doing and what I'm always going to do. I survived. I'm all good. Thanks, bro, for tuning in. Finally, you catch me live, Steve. What's up, bro? Great friend of the channel. Thank you so much for your continued support, man. I really appreciate you, my friend. The Italian Stallion. Some people will call me that. Smash the stupid button. Stupid. The like button. Guys, I'm giving you an alpha for free. Just drop a like. It's also free. I'm sorry, I can't actually bring the live stream sheet because I'm doing some changes to my account and stuff. But if you have any questions about the top altcoins, of course, let me know. But this live stream, I I named the last chance to become a crypto millionaire, and it might not necessarily. So let's actually talk about one. Okay, joining my group. No, I'm joking. I mean, that's for sure gonna help you to be a millionaire, but just keep it like fully realistic. I don't think that today is the last chance to be a crypto millionaire for the next bull run. But I do think that the time is running out. Maybe it's going to be another couple of weeks. Maybe it's going to be 1 month. But it's going to come a time that you wished you had invested into these dips. You wished you had bought all of these dips that we're seeing right now. These dips are not going to last forever. We also did a lot of like TA and market strategy and analysis that I would invite you to join my group for that. But what I can say right now is that the sentiment is that Bitcoin and Ethereum are probably going to drop a bit at some point still. This is what we're believing. And there's not a better chance to DCA into altcoins. But after actually Bitcoin pumps, after the halving, doesn't necessarily mean that it's at the halving countdown. It's probably actually going to drop a little bit at least. Or at some point, maybe it's May, maybe it's June. When Bitcoin dominance comes down, meaning that the market cap, the total market cap of the altcoins surpasses in terms of percentages the market cap of Bitcoin, then the altcoins are going to be further and further from the reach and the levels that you can DCA in. And the more that happens, the more you wish you had bought right now. Because how many people have told you, like, we're panicking? No, I hope that you didn't listen to people that told you to sell, to panic sell when, the tension from Iran and whatever happened, okay? But how many people you know that at least panic sold their holdings? And then after 1 or 2 days, the market was actually turning green because of the Hong Kong ETFs for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So you need to, the biggest lesson that I can teach you is actually managing emotions. And this is something that I really want to touch on my channel, something that I will literally open that Discord channel in my private Discord talking about this and investor psychology. It's something that I really want to dive into because it's very true to my heart, because I don't think I've made like crazy mistakes in the past, but I certainly learned some lesson. I've been in crypto 6 years, so I've definitely had my lesson learned on that. And I can tell you that, like, we've seen it. People like me that have been at least 2 or 3 years in crypto, minimum, all of these people would have seen what happened with FTX and Celsius. Like, those were actual big black swan. We thought that the crypto market was going to zero. If we survive those moments, we're going to survive this ones in which Bitcoin drops 10%. It's crypto. It's not the stock market. It's not that big of a deal. So I want you to be stoic. I want you to keep money on the side and to slowly buy all the dips. That is how you're going to make money in the long run. There is a reason why 90% of plus crypto investors lose money. And it's because they actually sell when we have these dips. Because they reason the other way around. They buy when it's all green because they think that pumps forever. And they sell when it's all red because it thinks that everything goes to zero. You need to sway, from the crowd and to actually be in power and be stoic with your investment. This is also what I'm trying to teach people in my group. It's not just a buy and sell signal group. And by the way, any question that you guys have on the new tiers or whatever, but the elite tier is still, and it's going to be 99% of the people in here because it's the best value for money. You get all of this, but Cadet, good entry point, and Whale for high 6-figure to 7-figure portfolios. And this is, and by the way, I got already one, and I'm getting 2 more spots. It's only open for 3 people. Okay, so there's 2 left. And these are the feature. Any questions, feel free to let me know. But let's get back to the chat. Props. I've looked into it. I didn't really like it, man. And I think that we're pretty much done for RWA in terms, at least for now. I'm not saying that RWA is not going to pump anymore in the bull run, because it is. It is going to be pumping. And some of the best projects, one of the best projects in my portfolio, by the way, that I'm going to reveal at some point next week, is an RWA project. So you will hear about that. And you probably don't know this project because nobody's talking about it. And if you guys are looking to buy it before I reveal it, you're still in time to join, because there's probably going to be another week or so in which we're going to keep accumulating that. I'm just telling you that you should not really you should not really buy RWA tokens. You should buy the narratives that are dead. Gaming is pretty much dead right now. Nobody cares about gaming, but I can guarantee you, rest assured that everybody's going to talk to me about gaming and is this a good entry for AWT when it pumps 5x Premiere? All these people are going to ask me. So be against the grain. Buy the narratives before they are actually trendy, before they are actually hot in the market. I hope it makes sense. Do you expect Bitcoin to go lower in May to top off our bags full of tokens? I think I've touched this already, my friend. Zeus. I did look into it. I know it's a new project. There was some reason why I didn't like it. If I remember, I'll tell you. I'm looking to expand my gaming portfolio. Good choice. Can decide between NACA G3 or GMRX. You have a very narrow list of tokens. So G3, I just made a video yesterday. I think it's a good project. I think it's just very volatile right now because it just launched. And also the token investing schedule is quite bad. It's quite bad. I'm not going to lie. I think that the only reason why this is probably a good project is because early investors are... who are the Ivan on Tech, Alex Becker, Virtual Bacon, they all invested into this. The market cap is only 12 million. That for what it is, like a gaming ecosystem, the platform itself is freaking great, guys. But of course, we're here to make money, right? And the token investing is bad. And by the way, I said I wouldn't invest right now. When it was like this, I literally said I wouldn't invest right now. And guess what? It dropped 20%. So I was right in that call. I can tell you that the investing schedule is bad. So for all you beginners, go on CryptoRank, go invest. People always tell me it's such a deal breaker. Because people think, I've had some comments, and that is why I really feel like I need to clarify. I've had some people tell me, oh, the FTV is bad. Who cares about FTV? Nobody cares about the FTV. The FTV has sense if you buy now and you sell when the circulating supply is 100%. Are you going to do that? I think that 99.9% of people are not going to do that. So just go here. The only thing that matters is the circulating supply today. And let's say that I sold in July. The circulating supply is twice as much. So we have a 2x dilution. Does it matter for the FTV? Nobody cares. You experience a 2x dilution. On the other hand, if you sell 1 year from now, 1 year, let's grab it. You have a 6x dilution. Okay? That is quite shit. I don't want to invest in a token that has 6x dilution. But if I see that it goes to an all-time low, and I do a trade for 2 or 3 weeks, then it pumped 3x, I 3x my money. Did I care about the FTV? No. Unless you want to sell in April 2028, you shouldn't really care about the FTV.
Stupid.
What's the point? Do you want to hold this token for 4 years from now? I think it would be quite retarded. I mean, you do you, but it just doesn't make sense. So I hope that you guys are smarter than that. By the way, actually, let's actually get to the question. Sorry if I digressed a little bit. Nakamoto Games, I think it's a project that it's not that good. I know that people made a lot of money in the bear market, and I wish I invested in that during the bear market. But at the market cap that it has, the product is quite shit. Let's be frank. How many gains does it have from here, from the market cap that it has? I just wouldn't buy it. G3, I already pretty much told you how I feel. With gaming, GMRX, I can make a very similar argument because it's a fantastic project. I think it's even better than G3. But the fact is that the dilution is so bad. It's just very similar. So because of it, why don't you focus on projects that actually have better dilution? If you're looking for something that is quite big, by the way, let's not say that, because if you're comparing G3 is like 12 million in market cap, so it's not that big. But why don't you buy OTK? OTK has a very similar market cap at G3 right now. So you see G3. And by the way, I'm not selling to pump my bags. I'm just saying because I actually just believe it's a better investment. OTK does not have the dilution that this project has. It's much lower. This is 12 million, right? OTK is very similar. It's 13 million. But if I'm looking to buy something now and sell it 1 year from now, this is a much better dilution, so it just makes sense. If you want a short-term trade, I think the G3 is going to pump more than OTK in the short term. So it's all depending on what you want, right? Um, and on the other end, if you're looking for something that is a little safer, a little bigger, I think that Mafia actually it's a project that I wasn't really considering, but just because it dumps so much. So given the dump, it might actually be worth it to grab a bag of Mafia. What other gaming projects do I like? I think Late Lab Games. Lit is one of my favorite gaming projects. It's seen a big downtrend, and this is again when you need to buy. I bought most of my bag at these levels, not in this dip, the one before. In this very dip was pretty much the same price, right below 2 cents. It's a game project that, in my opinion, could have a 100x potential for me. I'm not kidding you guys. I know the market cap could actually be twice as much as this, could actually be 10 million. I still have to figure out what the market cap is. I think that one of CoinGecko is actually the right one. But anyway, I digress. Those are the gaming picks that I would recommend in this very moment. But the gaming industry is just very frenetic. So I might have an opinion today and I might have a completely different opinion 1 or 2 weeks from now. Pau just finally got in. OTK, a big discounted price. Well done. How many X's do you think from here? I just said that. So already probably. Rinem added more Corpo. Corpo, good project. It's just another project that I wouldn't hold for long term, but in the short term, it's good. It's another gaming hub. If you guys don't know it, I should probably make a video about it because I think it's an interesting project, regardless. Hi, Cipro. Looking to consolidate XAI into AOS. What are your thoughts on this? Much respect. My friend, I wouldn't touch any of them. If you're looking for another AI project, let's say, I would buy AI tech at these prices. That's probably the only AI project that you need. I'm very well, Kai. Thank you for asking. I hope you're well too. Thoughts on BFi Labs. It's a cross-chain project when you can buy all the BRC20 and ordinals from DEX wallets with low and zero fees. Low or zero fees? BFi Labs. I don't think I've heard about this. So let's take a look. BFi Labs. 12 million. Just launched very recently. Charts pretty much been ranging. You can buy this on good selection of tier 2 and tier 3 exchanges. Qcoin, Maxi, token on Ethereum. Social media presence. What's up, bro? Oh, very few people. Low to zero fees. What can you buy exactly? Like BRC20 tokens? Okay. Is it doxed? I don't think it is. I would like to see this project being doxed if I'm considering something like this. It doesn't seem like it is. What's the token utility itself though? Airdrops, nice. Early access to project. I guess that you get like discounted fees. Yeah. As a token holder, yeah, that's good. Even ZK involved? Oh. It's pretty good. It looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I wish this project was doxed. I think it's not. It also has very little social media presence. Oh, wait. Was this shielded by crypto gains? Okay. How is it not pumping if it's shielding it? I don't want to touch weird links. Yeah, I probably wouldn't buy something that is being pumped. Maybe it pumped here and then it dropped already. Or maybe he pumped the thing there. I don't know. But anyway. That's interesting though. I'm not going to lie. I probably would put it in my watch list. Any, you know, bro, what the stupid. Fuck, man? Got the OTK accumulation alert? He knows, man. You too, Steve? Well done, man. Wait. I don't understand your English. I think you made a typo. My criteria to sell is DCAing out on market signals. So I use both TA and market enthusiasm and a bunch of other signals that I discuss in my private group. And we are far from that. That is all that I can tell you. If you're looking for all the criteria, then definitely consider joining, because a lot of people joined in the past or are still joining now for the buy alerts, but the actual alpha, I think that the best alpha that I can give you is when to actually sell, because a lot of people came to me after already being in bull runs, and they were like, listen, I made the money. I just didn't take it because I didn't sell it. I reviewed the portfolios these last few days in which they were holding backs from the peak of the bull run before, and their tokens were 99% down, and they would have been millionaires. So that is probably one of the best things that I can teach you. Tone coin. No, man. Michele, I'm sorry, but no. I just don't see a future. Only 70 to go? 270. 270 to the 10,000 followers, subscribers, whatever. What do you think about not so promising positions, aka minus positions? Got a bigger one that is around minus 50%. Cash out with losses just to invest again, or what? Peter, it depends on a bunch of things. It depends on a bunch of things. I'm not sure if you're in my private group, but sometimes it's better to sell at a loss, because let's say that you're 50% down on a crypto and you're waiting to break even. So you're waiting to do a 2x from these levels. Sometimes you could just sell now and then invest into something that is going to do a 2x in a much shorter span of time, because you could wait this token to do a 2x and maybe you're going to arrive at the peak of the bull market and you missed on a 100x on a token in which, if you had invested today, you would have made a 50x on your capital, you know, because you're 50% loss, you make 100x, that's a 50x on your money, right? Yeah, so I think that should be quite eye-opening for a lot of people, because so many people just tell me, I'm just gonna sell. Yo, you don't lose money until you sell. And I'm like, stupid. That doesn't make any fucking sense, because I'm losing money if I'm holding back tokens and if I'm not buying the good ones. I'm losing fucking money. That's big. More Tectum. You're not more Tectum than expected. You're not the only one, bro. Finally, AWT. So many people were waiting for that. The AWA stands for awesome. What's up, Loki? Should I flip my AI tech in Rightstream and Chirply if I want more multiples? I just would not try to mess with AI tech. Don't you have anything else that you can sell or a new cash to inject? Because AI tech is literally having gold. Cipro goes to Dubai. Dubai gets flooded. Fuck my life. Sonor's 50x from here? Yes, absolutely. At least a 20 to 30x. I don't think 100x from here, but still. 270, yeah. Oh, it was the same. You just corrected that. I should have 20k subscribers. Yes, they're going to come very shortly. Don't worry. And from next week, once I have my proper office set up, guys, expect daily content. I'm actually going to live stream daily from next week, I think, for the foreseeable future. Yeah, I'm saying now. So for at least a few weeks, there's going to be daily live stream. I really want to live stream daily up until the halving and right after the halving. So there's going to be daily live stream. I'm saying I need to play this sound again. Daily freaking live stream starting next week. So expect that. Can you check TLM? Let's check TLM. Alien Worlds? The fuck is this? Oh my god, bro. It seems like it's the same shit over and over again. If you guys can't understand that this project just jumped during was launched in the bull market, sorry. And then it went to the high at the peak of the bull run, and then it went essentially to zero. If you see a swing right here, it's because somebody that was some big influencer probably was holding it from the previous bull market and decided, oh, let's actually make my followers my X liquidity. They decide to shield it, and then they sell on you. Don't be that kind of guy. Guys, it takes me 2 seconds to read a chart like this. We have so many good new projects. Why do people want to buy this shit? Blows my mind. Come on, guys. You can be better than that. Millionaire doing so many big things. Yes. Layer 2 for Bitcoin, on sidechain, on mainnet. Layer 3, ZK technology, RWA, partnership with gaming project even. People still talk shit about it. Honestly, we'll see. We'll see who lasts. Millionaire is becoming one of my top holdings. That is what I can say. Enrico, $250 in lit, $250 in layer, $200 in AWT. I would invest another $1,000. I guess that's all of your budget. So, I mean, you definitely need to take a lot of risks. If you have that little money, I wouldn't diversify too much. I wouldn't have more than 3 or 4 projects. So maybe just you could get another project and then DCA your existing convictions. I would add perhaps Rightstream. If I was to add a project into that, I would probably add Rightstream or OTK. Probably Rightstream, because you already have lit for gaming project. You already have AWT. You need some Rightstream. You're broke buying the dips. If you're broke buying the dips, you're probably buying too much right now, or you probably didn't have enough cash on the side, which goes against my recommendation, because I've been telling you for ages. I made this tweet the other day. Check this shit out. I made this tweet the other day. I told you for months, I had 40%. I had freaking 40% of my portfolio in USDT. I'm not freaking kidding. All of your boom buys was like, we're never gonna see these Caspa prices again, bro. Caspa $1 before the dip, bro. If you hadn't gone all in at 18 cents of Caspa, you could buy Caspa today, much cheaper. And you could be 15, 20x territory, easy. I had 40% in my portfolio in USDT. Now I have around 20. I told you guys, it's not rocket science. Things get worse before they get better. People don't get it. People lose money. What can I tell you? If you listen to Moon Boys, I warned you. By the way, I want to take a moment to actually digress. Shout out to my bro, CryptoDanks. I'm going live on his channel tomorrow at 11 a.m. Pacific time, I think this is. 8 p.m. Dubai time, 4 p.m. 5 p.m. British summer time. Anyway, whatever. You do you. There's too many time zones in this world. But anyway, I'm gonna be live. So don't miss out. Great guy. And subscribe to him if you haven't already. Very honest guy. We need more honest people, more people like him on the YouTube space. Steve, thank you so much for a reminder. Press the like if you haven't already, guys. I'm so close to 10,000 subscribers. I can almost taste it. So just drop a like. Really helps me tremendously. Appreciate you guys. Manu, what's up, bro? Bought a big battle OTK way too soon, around 9 cents. My friend, oh yeah. I told you not to buy the top. But what you can do is that you have some cash now. So let's say if you buy another equal quantity at 5 cents, your average is 7 cents. So that's a winner because 7 cents is still quite cheap for OTK, you know? Fortnite in real life in Dubai. Oh, bro. No, I'm good. It's getting better. It was sunny today, actually. Still a bit fucked up around, though. Yes, I'm still bullish on AWT. In fact, I'm having them on an AMA on my channel on Monday, so don't miss out. How many access for Chirplay? We're getting back down to the 100x territory. I would say minimum of 50x. the minimum criteria we need to meet right now to become a crypto millionaire. I don't know if that's kind of a joke or actually a sense question, but I would say what I can tell you is set yourself a goal and be realistic. For instance, let's say that I have 100 grand to invest. To become a millionaire, I need to make a 10x. So let's say that I build a 10x portfolio and my budget is 100 grand. I'm going to be in millionaire territory. But if I have 100K and I buy just Bitcoin and Ethereum, I know that it's probably going to be a 3x portfolio. If on the other hand, I have a 10x portfolio, but I have 10 grand, max that I can do is 100K. If I have 10 grand and I want to become a millionaire, I need to make 100x, which is 100x portfolio to me is almost impossible to make. I mean, I can tell you to buy this, buy that, but it's also down to where you enter, etc. It's just very hard to understand, right? So I would say be realistic and be aware of the risks that you need to take. Because look at your budget, look how much money you're looking to get, you're gonna evaluate the risk accordingly. Because if you wanna make 100x of your portfolio, you're gonna have to make crazy risks. Even if you want anywhere between a 30 to 50x for a portfolio, and I wanna be relatively conservative, you need to take big risks and being relatively conservative. If on the other hand, I want just a 10x from my portfolio, I'm not looking to make much more than a 10 to 20x with my portfolio. I'm being very honest, but I also have a bigger budget than most people here. So I'm just going to tell you that I'm not taking this degen risk of putting all of my portfolio into a gaming project. Okay. So I just be aware of the risks and be aware of, set yourself realistic goals, realistic expectations, and you're not going to be disappointed. The only disappointment that you're going to get into crypto is the actual difference between the expected money that you're looking to get and the money that you actually get. Do a subtraction of the two. And if you have like crazy expectation and you make this money, even if you make a lot of money, but your let's say you make a 10x of your portfolio, but you were looking to make the 100x, there is a 90x discrepancy. On the other hand, if you're looking to make a 20x of your portfolio and you make a 15x on your portfolio, you're not going to be very disappointed, right? And it's much better to be disappointed that your portfolio did a little better than expected than a little worse. I hope it makes sense, guys. Say 20x for now? I don't think so, just because it has very heavy unlocks on the horizon in around 1 year time. I would say 10 to 15. Suku? You Suka. Maximum number of coins for 20k portfolio. I would say 5 to 10 range. 5 to 10. 5 to 10. Why do people call it depressing? I don't think it's a depressing project. It's just that. Just be realistic. Wisdom from this guy. Salute. Thanks so much, man. Appreciate you. Buy... Peak... What? What's wrong with people? AI Tech a deep in project? Yes. Yes, but it's just much more than that. But they have such a big product offering. It's just very wide. So yes, guys, I see a lot of people repeating comments. I'm just taking my time because there's a lot of people here. There's a lot of comments. I'm gonna get to it. If you want your comment immediately read, just drop a super chat. Even just $1, I'll read it. But otherwise, just I'm taking my time. Be respectful. Otherwise, you're gonna get banned if you put your comment like 10 times. And Selflex has no mercy. Selflex is in charge of the buns today. Is Chuck around? I don't think Chuck is around. So it's all on Selflix. PKT. Okay, 2 people asked me for it. I'm just going to take a look. Okay, chart doesn't look good. It's been around 2 years. It's been around 2 years. Only on Maxi after 2 years? Why would I buy this shit? It's old. You're just looking for extra liquidity, guys. Or maybe you're just naive. Give you the benefit of the doubt. Just not interested. Yo, super chat. Thank you so much, Paint Vista. Appreciate you, bro. Strong RWA project. Libertum. Libertum? Fuck, what name is that? Libertum. It's not even here. Libertum. Bro, I can't even find it. I'm sorry. Is there any way that I can find it? Where was I? Jitters? What the fuck does that mean? Can people tell me what it means? Jitters? What does jitters mean? In what order do you think else will pump? AI, RWA, and then gaming, all will be different. I would expect gaming to pump before getting another run of AI, just because AI already had its run very close to now. So I think it just makes sense that another narrative pumps, if that makes sense. I hope it does. But we can't really say beforehand. We could also have events in the Web2 world. For instance, we had the NVIDIA conference for AI that was a catalyst. Not the event itself, but the announcement of the event, okay? So we might have a similar behavior when it comes to gaming project if we have an E3 revamp announcement, stuff like that. JIT describes a person who sells anything and everything in the crypto community. So I don't know. Does that mean I wouldn't say Paige Schiller. So maybe somebody that sells courses. I don't sell courses, fortunately. Well, of course, I'm against cheaters, I guess. Oh my God, there's so many spammers. I'm still not sure about the definition, though. Okay, where was I? Chappy Z is actually good, but it was just pumped and down by several groups. I think it's quite risky. The project stuff is decent, though. LTC, your target should be to exit your position now. Oh my God, bro. Brian asking me about Spectra. Launched some Maxi yesterday. Some of this project, you can't find anything. No, sorry, man. I just can't find it. Ask me after it gets listed here. I'll take a look. I'm gonna keep it real with you. I haven't really researched a Rune project yet, but it's on my list. So maybe ask me in a couple days. Opportunity cost. That's a big factor, Steve. Absolutely. We like Doc's team. We sure do, Bobs. DEI. Tau competitor. Don't know about that. $50 mil. Chart looking okay. Quite crappy exchanges, to be frank. 50 million. It's a token on Ethereum. We got this Matrix website, bro. Is it doxed? Doesn't it get old with all this Matrix kind of branding? I think people are quite sick of that. I think it has also, it really screams like project with taxes. Doesn't sound like a good investment to me. Why is DEX still so slow? So slow. Oh my god, man. So freaking slow. No, it actually has minimal buy taxes, so that's fine. I don't know. I'm just not sold on this marketing. If the team is doxed, I'm very happy to have a further look, but I don't think it's doxed. Don't forget us when you're proper famous. I won't, bro. I won't, bro. You're one of the top 10 OGs on my channel, bro. For real. Victor with the super chat. Thank you so much, Victor. Appreciate you. Solana versus Bitcoin and long-term investment. I would ask you, what define long-term for you? Is long-term for you 1 year? Is long-term for you 5 years down the line? Because if you ask me, I'm aiming to sell all of my cryptocurrency investments at the peak of the bull market next year. So I'm going to be left with zero crypto, and then I'm going to wait for the big crash, for the actual bear market, and then I'm going to reinvest in crypto again. So if I'm talking about 1 year from now, just be aware that Bitcoin is probably not going to do much more than a 3x from now. If we have a 200K Bitcoin, to me, it would be very bullish and definitely very liberal in terms of predictions. And in terms of Solana, I could potentially say that Solana can do a 5 to 10x from here, but then I also consider that Solana heavily outperformed the big caps just because of all the memes and all of the tokens that were built on it during this meme craze. So Solana is more looking like a 5x. Yeah. So I hope that answers your question, but if you were looking for anything else specifically, let me know. Because again, I would still sell them at the peak of the next bull market, of this bull market, sorry. I wouldn't hold them in the bear market because you're just losing money. Oh yeah. Selfless, thank you for the reminder. I'm actually going live with my private elite tier on Patreon very, very soon. So to join the Patreon live stream, join the Patreon. I mean, comes without saying. You're still in time. If you want to join now, you're actually going to be able to join the private live stream that starts right after this public live stream. As soon as it ends, I'm going to go live without breaks. So you guys know what to do. Marco, I saw that you posted your portfolio. I don't do portfolio reviews publicly, but what I can tell you from a first look is that this doesn't look like a 10x portfolio to me. But I don't do portfolio reviews publicly. I just do that for the elite members. Thanks is very good. Yeah, guys, you should subscribe to him for sure. Great guy. Very honest guy. Scrotum coin?
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck? Stupid.
What the fuck's wrong, people? Big green candles back to back on the hour. I think the dip is over. Yeah. At one moment, people are panicking, selling everything. And one moment, people are buying everything. It's crazy, right? What do you want to hear about Neon? I made a video about it. I've said it that the project is probably going to be listed on Coinbase, by the way, because they posted a tweet and then they deleted it. So probably it was confidential information. I think it's going to really pump in the short term. So yeah, I'm very bullish. I hold some. You shouldn't have 20K subscribers. You should have 100K. Thank you so much. You're too kind. And yeah, they're going to come. They're going to come. You guys don't know what's to come because I'm going to pump content and we're going to fly off this bull market. Find a new shiny project in each narrative. Preach. I can judge PKT for that because it's just stupid to look at old project when the graph look like that, when I'm making much better project with the new layer ones, with Alephium, Tectum, Caspa. Why do you want to buy stuff that is so freaking old and looks like crap that nobody gives a shit about? It's just people looking for extra liquidity. AWT and Lit, they're both some of my biggest convictions when it comes to gaming. So you should probably already know that. What exactly are you asking me? Exactly. Imagine just having a maxi listing after 2 years. What the fuck, man? I made a video on gaming. Check it out because I did a full crypto review. Tell me, it's good to see you, man. Haven't seen you in a while. Elixir partnered with CD5 for their IDO. Weesh, I didn't know. Alex Premint NFT is on the 25th of April. That means with the alpha right here. Thank you for bringing this up to my attention. I actually didn't know. It's interesting. Interesting. Castle Blackwater. I think it's bullish. Very, very good project. I think that project is going to do quite well. The dilution is not great, but in the short term is, to me, a no-brainer that it's going to pump. If it gets as popular, at least a bit as popular as what Among Us was, and that low of a market is like 2 million in market cap, yeah, very, very bullish. Also, it was launched, I think, on the Elixir game launcher. Yeah, it was launched on the Elixir game launcher. So another reason to be bullish on it. It's just a very good project. How many X's for Ondo? It pumped a lot. Nah, I really wouldn't touch that at all. Open Fabric is good. But I also know it was manipulated by some other community, so I probably wouldn't touch it myself. I don't want to become the exit liquidity of anyone. Okay, guys. We have a clown. The stars align. The stars align. The quantum vibration of the blockchain whispers secret of imminent glory for XRP.
Stupid.
Join me, Marco, on this XRP journey. Maybe not. Bro. What's wrong with people, honestly? Inspect is not that great. It's very nichey. Very nichey. Viewable. I'll check this though. I don't know it. Viewable. BPL. It looks like it's pumped and dump. My God, what a terrible chart. Schiffsprung. Listed on good exchanges though. HTX and Bybit. 6 million. My God, this chart looks so bad. Web3 social platform. I'm done listening. The SocialFi chat solution. Oh yeah, I remember that. It was kind of like Soul Chat, I think. To message wallets. Why do I want to send a message to a random wallet saying GM, hi friends, hey, good morning everyone, good morning.
Stupid.
Do you want tokens? Good morning.
Stupid.
Hey, let's do it, bro. GM. Fuck this shit, man. Who buys this shit? This is going to zero. Fuck my life. You tried it? Oh my God. This and by the way, this person is up all. Can't believe it's real. Sometimes old project can be really good and ahead of other projects. Bro, you are the clear person that just invests in the project for the tech. Are you guys in here for the tech or for actually making money? ICP is what the best tech in the market. Who gives a shit? I'm here to make freaking money. I invest in crypto to make money. I don't invest in crypto because this is the best tech on the market. Who gives a shit? Layer AI is okay. It's not bad, but it's not awesome. I have my entire portfolio in OTK. Unless you have like $500 to invest, I probably wouldn't put everything in a gaming project. Yeah. They cheated early adopters in the name of an airdrop? Really? Why is it useful to send messages to wallets? What are you guys talking about? I mean, that's my opinion, but I just find it incredibly dumb. Cipro fuming. Okay, I'm fuming too much. I'm gonna go jump into the elite live stream. And yeah, guys, you're still in time. If you want to join, I'll see you then. And you're gonna also avoid people like this. This person is a bot, but it's hilarious. I'll give you that. Okay, we have a super chat, so I'm gonna read this before ending the stream. Lauro, thank you so much. I appreciate you. DCA Radiant. Oh my god. Okay, Radiant. There's a couple. Which one is it? Layer 1 listed on Maxi. Is it this one? It's quite an old project. Laura, can you tell me the ticker? I'm gonna take a look. Which one is it? The other one. RXT? RXT, right? Not RDX. Where's the RDX? Or maybe he made a typo. I think it's this one. Guys, take a look. So it's been listed on Maxi. 90 million market cap. The volume is very low, man. Could be a hit or miss. Could be a project that is relatively unknown, or it could be a project that nobody gives a fuck about. The exchange situation is terrible, but it's been listed on Maxi. Quite a new project. Chart actually doesn't look that bad. It's a proof of work. So the question is, why would I invest into another proof of work if I have a lot of proof of work projects? Solves high costs, instability. Okay. Time to the next halving. There's nothing here. The website loads very slow. Okay, seems to be very decentralized. No ICO, no pre-mine, no VCs. Okay, mine with your Jeep. Okay. It sounds good. I'm not gonna lie, but I would like to see the white paper. And if it's not doxed, it's just another layer one. I just want the fucking white paper, bro. The fuck is it? Oh my god, I can't. It doesn't load for whatever reason. Sorry, bro. I would give you like a actual opinion, but it just doesn't load. I'll try to download it and have a look, and then come back on the next live stream. I'm gonna check, because I just can't look at it without looking at the white paper. But just be aware that if this is not doxed, I probably just wouldn't buy it. Okay, time to end the stream now. I'll see you on the private live stream in a second if you're part of my community, and if you're not, what the hell are you waiting for? Just join now, man.